Amazon login problem easy fix. So if you want to solve if you're having issues logging in on the Amazon app, there could be a couple of different reasons why this is happening. Now, first of all, we want to make sure it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Once you've done that, if you're using Android, we can try to clear the cache and data of the app. If you're using iPhone, just offload the app. For Android users, open up settings, scroll down and select the option that says apps and tap on it. Now from the apps, select Amazon and then scroll down and go to the option that says storage and just select it. Once you go to storage, there you can find the option called clear cache and make sure to clear data and just tap on delete. Once you've done that, also go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Amazon and check if it has any sort of updates available. If it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. Once you've done that, try to open Amazon again, and if you're still not being able to log in, it could be due to incorrect login details. So you want to make sure that your email or password or your phone number and password is actually correct. Then you can just go ahead and then tap the sign in button to be able to sign in. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.